Syama, CEO of Scaling Retail, and I'm coming to you from Vegas, from the epicenter of the retail trade shows. Now, today I'm going to talk a little bit about what happened over at Sourcing. Now, for those of you guys who don't know, Sourcing is a fantastic part of the seasonal trade show circuit that brings together manufacturers and everyone across the supply chain in one room. Now, you might be asking yourself, well, can I just Google those people or can I find them online? To be honest, guys, some of the best factories and manufacturers have pretty terrible websites, and in fact, it's really hard to find them. So this becomes the epicenter of where you come to connect, meet different service providers, and have a chance to really find out that extra special sauce that might take your business to the next level. I was just talking to someone a little bit earlier, and she was telling me that she found this incredible manufacturer from Portugal, and she'd been on the hunt to find someone to produce her goods for a few months now. So that just tells you, overnight, you can go from deer in the headlights, not being sure what you're looking for, to finding the right sequencing of partners that you're going to be setting up with. Now, in addition to that, there are also a whole host of other kinds of service providers. You know, one of the panels that I gave a talk on was all about reimagining the customer relationship, and we had folks who were on stage with me from that company Comment Sold, which is a new interactive way of being able to sell your products through digital live streaming. Pretty fucking cool, right? Nice way of being able to find new products, new services, and bring them together online. We also had some incredible conversations with other kinds of manufacturers who are focusing on private label. Now, if you're wondering, well, how do I get into private label? Or how do I actually find someone who's going to make those garments for me where I'm not the designer, but I can buy them and put my label in them? And private label is exactly one of those spaces. And what I love so much about private label is the opportunity to backfill into a lot of products that you might otherwise have to spend an arm and a leg on when it comes to designing, developing, and paying for manufacturing. So Sourcing, I have to say, is one of those not so kept secrets in the industry when it comes to pulling together the backbone and foundation of the industry. So guys, if you're wondering how to set up and find yourselves all the right service providers and how to navigate sourcing and really think about scaling up your business model, shoot us an email at hello@scalingretail.com. Would love to be able to support you in building your business for success. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.